Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Hasina, an artist, illustrator and pattern designer based in the UAE. I create YouTube videos to share my art journey so I can always look back and reflect, and also to teach mostly florals and Procreate tips and tricks. Whether you're an aspiring artist looking to pick up a new hobby or just here for some therapeutic art, then please keep watching. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a lovely floral repeat pattern. To kick things off, make sure to have a secure canvas. Mine measures 2048 by 2048 pixels set at 300 dpi. First things first, I'm going to draw in some floral elements right in the center of my first layer. I typically go for about 3 to 4 elements at this point, keeping them nicely centered on the canvas. I'm using a brush from Lisa Glance's gouache brush collection, which I will leave a link to in the description box below, but feel free to use any brush you like. Now, after laying down our main elements, it's time to create a layer beneath the first layer and fill it with white or any color that you like. Then we'll merge this layer with our pattern layer and duplicate it. Tap on the selection tool and make sure the snapping and magnetics is enabled. Now gently slide one layer to the right, snap it, then the other layer to the left and snap it. Now merge the layers again. Creating a new layer, let's continue adding more elements, making sure they fill the space nicely without spilling over the edges of the canvas. Once everything is in place, merge all the elements if you have used multiple layers, and let's duplicate the layer again. This time shifting one copy above and the other below to interlock them seamlessly. Once done, merge both the layers again. Feel free to add in more elements to create a balanced composition and fill any empty spaces. Once satisfied, make sure it's all in one layer, and let's duplicate the entire layer 3 times, allowing for a total of 4 layers. Now you have to slide each layer across towards the corners, like this, and merge them all. Now let's put finishing touches on our pattern, and then duplicate it 3 times once again to make a total of 4 layers. This time let's scale down each layer, snapping them to the canvas's center. You may repeat this last step as many times as you like. I'm gonna leave it just like this. There you have it, a beautiful seamless repeat pattern ready to elevate your projects to new heights. I hope this tutorial has sparked your creativity in Procreate. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this, and don't forget to follow me on IG at mostly.florals. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments below. And remember to tap the notifications bell icon to stay updated on future tutorials. Happy creating!